I know a lot of you must have been seeing this frontal. Now, to some of you who have not, it's a glueless, trendy, and scarf-friendly frontal, okay? And guess what? It costs just 6,000 naira to make it. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make it and also start making profit from it, because I know there are vendors who are selling this particular glueless frontal for 15,000 naira. Trust me when I say so. Go to the streets of Instagram and TikTok. You're going to discover a lot of vendors are actually cashing out with this particular beautiful glueless frontal. But before I dive into the main video of today, I'm going to quickly introduce myself to our new subscribers. If you're just joining us for the very first time, you're welcome. My name is Sarah Oluwakemi. On this channel, I talk about packet hairs, I share packet hair reviews. I also help those who want to go into hair business to start up their own hair business. Okay, now if you know you want to learn everything that has to do with affordable packet hair that you can use to slay or you can use to make a whole lot of profit, you see this particular channel is for you. All you have to do is just subscribe, hit the notification button. Please don't forget to also like and share so that other people can also watch the video and also learn from it as well. Okay, now let us head into the main video of today, guys. One thing I know is that not everybody wants full lace or glue stress. Okay, you see this particular glueless frontal is the new plug for girls who want easy wigs. Trust me when I say that it lays very flat, it is very comfortable. Now with a nice scarf or band wig, baby girl, it's going to be giving body on a budget. Now the best part of it is that you can actually sell for as high as 15,000 or sell below 15,000. It depends on how much you want to make and how you style the frontal. Okay, now let me show you how you can make it. So these are the items you will need. Okay, now this particular frontal is a blend frontal and it measures 15 inches. Now from ear to ear we need 11 inches. Okay, all you have to do is measure 2 inches on the left ear and 2 inches on the right ear according to what you're seeing on the screen. Now let's measure. As you can see, we've gotten complete 11 inches. Now let's carry our canvas head and place the frontal on the canvas head according to what you're also seeing on the screen. Make sure you fold it into two so that you get the center pattern. Now you start placing your pins on the frontal. Pin it to the canvas head so that you not make any mistake. Ensure that you pin left ear to right ear. You're also going to pin the back as well so that you get a strong hold on the canvas head when you're doing your styling. know a lot of you have this question in your mind, like, who will I sell this wig to? Who will buy this particular frontal? Who will buy? Don't worry yourself, I've got the answer to that question. Now listen, you see this particular wig, it isn't just affordable, it is versatile. Now you can sell it to students who don't want to stress or who can't glue their wigs every day. You can also sell to Muslim ladies who want a neat finish under their scarves. Okay, now working moms also, they love something very easy, very fast. You know, when you wake up in the morning, you want to look very sharp for hobby. Now this particular Glueless Frontal is perfect for working moms. Okay, girls on a budget who want to slay without going broke. Now they will rush this particular look. Okay, so you don't have to stress yourself who to sell to anymore, because this is what I call rich babe energy made easy, guys. So guys, if you know you're trying to start up your wig business, or you're looking for a new product that moves faster, you can give this Glueless Frontal a try. Okay, now you don't need 100,000 naira to start. All you need is strategy, small tools and packaging, and you're good to go. I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Click on your notification bell and also like and share this video so that other people can watch it and also learn from it and make more profit. Okay, I want you guys, especially my girls in the house, to make a whole lot of profits, also slay and look very classy while you're not breaking the back. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Enjoy the rest of the video.